Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to install modes in a Lethal company, right? So it's really easy, and here I mentioned the three websites. So just go into this website and from there just make sure you install those ones because those are good. Those are the authentic one, right? So the first one is here, that is called Thunderstore, right? And now the mod name is Mimics. To install this, it's really easy. You can just go and install with mod manager or just go and click on manual download, right? So if I just go and click on manual download here, as you can see here, my zip file has been downloaded. I can just extract and install it. Right now the second thing is that bigger lobby. So this is expansion mode, lobby expansion mode. Now the same thing, once you're here into this website, just go and click on manual download and you will get this. Now you can just go to the Thunderstorm, and here these are the all the modes which you can install in your Lethal company here, right? And it's really cool, and same way it's really easy to install, right? You just need to download here. Once you get download, just go to the download section here, and the file has been downloaded, so you can just open it up, right? You can just copy each and everything, right, and just go and paste it in the files of your Lethal company, right? I hope you found this video very useful. Subscribe.